Hello students, my name is Piyusha Patel from VPMP Polytechnic. Today we learn the subject Engineering Physics. Unit name is SI Units and Measurement. We discuss the topic measuring instrument like vernier calipers. From this topic students know about the measuring equipment. They know when we use vernier calipers for measuring length. They also learn the principle of vernier calipers. Students develop their drawing skill and learn how to calculate the LC. Today we discuss the topic measuring instrument. Generally, if we measure the length, then we can use scale, meter scale, foot rule. But if length is so small, then we can use vernier calipers and micrometer screw gauge. એટલે કે જો લેન્થ માપવી હોય તો આપણે જનરલી સ્કેલ, મીટર સ્કેલ કે ફૂટ રોલનો ઉપયોગ કરીએ છીએ. પરંતુ લેન્થ is less than centimeter or meter, then we can use vernier calipers and micrometer screw gauge. Now we start with vernier calipers. Before studying any equipment, we know about the principle of that equipment. So we start with the principle of vernier calipers. Vernier calipers works on a least count. Means the smallest fraction of the unit of the length which can be measured with the vernier calipers is called its least count. Vernier calipers એ લઘુત્તમ માપ શક્તિના સિદ્ધાંત પર કાર્ય કરે છે. એટલે કે એકમ લંબાઈના નાનામાં નાના માપને વર્નિયર કેલિપર્સની મદદથી માપી શકાય છે, તો તેને વર્નિયર કેલિપર્સની લઘુત્તમ માપ શક્તિ કહે છે. Now we discuss the construction of vernier calipers. હવે આપણે વર્નિયર કેલિપર્સની બંધારણ ઉપર ડિસ્કસ કરીશું. કન્સ્ટ્રક્શન ઓફ વર્નિયર કેલિપર્સ એટલે કે તેને બંધારણ અને રચના તરીકે પણ આપણે ઓળખી શકીએ છીએ. First we learn how the vernier calipers draw by a easy method. Take a notebook and cover the 3 lines of your notebook like this. This one the metallic sheet. Now in above line we indicate the scale in inch. Draw the scale like this. First line is a 0, then 1, and after the last write a 6 inch. Now in below portion we draw the scale in centimeter measure. Like this, first line is a 0, after 10 line 1, 2, 3, and at the end 15 centimeter. Above in inch, below in centimeter is known as main scale. એટલે કે એને મુખ્ય સ્કેલ તરીકે ઓળખાય છે. Now extend the line in front side like this type. Then draw the 3 lines cover, again 3 lines cover, here like this. Now below line extend at the 4 lines, then connect it very well. Darken the line outer side. Now extend the line at 1.5 line. Then here cover this one, this slanting line. This one the jaws A and B. Now draw the line above the main scale like this type and connect with the curved corner like this. Now extend at upper side and cover its slanting line. Here take a point at below and connect that one. Extend the four line and connect with by this slanting line. This one the vernier scale which moves the main scale on left and right side. Here scale first one is the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, this one. This is known as vernier scale. This one the two jaws C and D connected with the vernier scale, and here draw the rectangle with curved corner in the middle section of that. Here that one the screw, this one the strip of vernier calipers, this one the our vernier calipers which drawing by the so easy method. Now labeled all the part of vernier calipers, and our diagram is this. Diagram watching the very carefully. And observe all the labeled part of vernier calipers. Now we explain the construction of vernier calipers. A, B, N, M, H is the metallic plate. The main scale of vernier calipers consists of a metallic plate A, B, N, M and H. The right side of a plate is calibrated in two scale in term of upper scale in inch and in term of below scale in centimeter. On left side, two jaws A and B are kept. A special tube of vernier scale capable to sliding over a main scale on left and right side as shown in figure. Vernier scale also consists with two jaws C and D. Discussing the least count of vernier calipers to understand the construction of vernier calipers. Watching this at a carefully. Formula of least count એટલે કે લમાશનું સૂત્ર. Least count is equal to the value of smallest division on main scale upon total divisions on vernier scale. Least count એટલે કે લમાશ લઘુત્તમ માપ શક્તિ ઇક્વલ ટુ મુખ્ય સ્કેલના નાનામાં નાના કાપાનું મૂલ્ય ડિવાઇડેડ બાય વર્નિયર સ્કેલના કુલ કાપા. This one the our vernier calipers. Generally, we measure the length of any object. We use the scale in centimeter scale. This one is the our equipment and this one is the scale in centimeter scale. Here the 0, then after the first division is the smallest division. Magnifying the scale. This one the 0 division and then after the division is the first division, and the value of first division is the 1 upon 10 is equal to 0.1 centimeter. It is also known as 1 mm. So the value of smallest division on main scale એટલે કે મુખ્ય સ્કેલના નાનામાં નાના કાપાનું મૂલ્ય is the 1 mm. Or also write the 0.1 centimeter. divided by the total divisions on 1 year scale. This one is our equipment and total division on 1 year scale, this one. So other scale in drawing 1 year calipers like this one the total division. Here we use the 1 year calipers which has a 10 division on 1 year scale. એટલે કે જે 1 year calipers ના 1 year સ્કેલમાં 10 ડિવિઝન છે એ 1 year calipers આપણે અહીંયા યુઝ કરીશું. તો the total divisions on 1 year scale is the 10. The answer is 0.1 mm and in centimeter 0.01 centimeter. Thank you for watching this video.